When I was looking at schools to go to get my master's of public health, I definitely didn't expect to be looking at Pittsburgh. Coming from Chicago, someone who lived there, did her undergraduate there, all of her friends and family is there, I was able to find find aspects in the program that really stood out to me. Like the small cohort sizes is something that I really appreciate. Being able to get to know my peers and get to know the faculty, staff, and professors, and also the program directors is something that's really important to me when I'm building a relationship and how I want to navigate my public health and graduate career. So being able to be in a small cohort and create those meaningful relationships, and for others to know my name and for me to know their name just crossing down in the hallway is something that really was important to me. And I recognized when I was doing my research, I'm someone who has a lot of passions all over the place. Even though I want to make my degree more on the health management side, being able to go into the health equity certificate program was something that really excited me and really stood out to me that I didn't find in other programs. I won't have to gear away from my time in my 2 years or take extra credits at an extra cost. So being able to get a certificate and get my degree is something that really stood out to me that I didn't see in other schools, and a big reason I chose Pitt. I was really nervous coming into Pitt because I had an assumption that everyone went to the University of Pittsburgh for undergrad or just knew the area, and someone coming from Chicago, I wasn't very familiar with that. But I've definitely been able to find a home in Pitt that is a home away from home, and I really feel comfortable and I feel valued as a student here, which I think is really important in your graduate career. I would definitely give advice to incoming students and prospective students is the HPM department will give you a lot of opportunity, and it's up to you to take account on those opportunities and take the initiative. But there are endless amount of opportunities that allow you to grow as a student, as an early professional, as you will be entering the job market sooner or later. The HPM program really uplifts your success during your graduate career, but also puts an emphasis on you being successful post-graduation. There's a lot of opportunities to go to alumni mixers, networking events, and the professional development courses you take in your first year are really important. And you wouldn't go into your graduate career, at least I didn't go into my graduate career understanding how important professional development is, how important networking is, but it's something I'm on the finishing my first year. I'm so grateful I have going into my second year. I was able to go to a conference, and that really allowed me the skills and knowledge I learned during our first year's professional development course really allowed me to go into this conference with confidence. And that's something that you want when you're going into the job market.